Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to track workouts and activities on Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. So open the Health app, and here you can see your activities. When we click in here, you see your steps, active time, activity calories, total burned calories. And we can go in here, disagree, and boost your training with a workout target. So you can choose the workout target and start, for example, running, bike, walking, and more. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.